So we're going to use part of the soul affirmation today. We're going to work on the emotions again. So let's say the soul affirmation. I am that I am. I am the soul. I am not the emotions. The emotions are products of the soul. I created these emotions and I am going to change these emotions. So let's just think of one emotion that you may be going through right now. I am personally going through a little bit of, irritation here and there, a little bit. So I'm just going to say, I am not the irritation that I feel. I am the soul. I am the soul. I am not the irritation. If some of us are feeling anger, then we can just say, I am not the anger. I am the soul. I created the anger. I am going to change it. Okay, so let's just repeat in our minds a couple of times. I am that I am. I am not the anger. I am not the fear that I feel. I am not the emotions. I am the soul. I am going to create feelings that are going to support me. Life is good. I am alive. There is air to breathe. The sun is rising. Let's focus on stuff that we can be grateful for. Okay.
You are not audible, Didi.
So what I would like you to basically, be aware of your body. And when I was doing some of the healing today, I felt that there was a lot of resistance to release anger. So some of us are possibly holding on to our anger without being aware. So let's just do a short releasing. So please close your eyes if you'd like to, or you can keep them open. Be aware of your body. Let's be aware of our emotions. Now let's visualize this anger energy floating around in our aura like little bubbles, that are not very nice. Okay, so now let's just think that we are throwing these bubbles out of our aura. Just throw them out. Or what you can do is you can just visualize, when we were kids, when we had soap bubbles, then one person would blow the bubbles and the other one would break the bubbles, right? So just visualize yourself breaking these bubbles, just that are in your. So if you know something specific that's bothering you, then just try and poke that anger energy. What that will do is, again, hopefully it will help to release it, because there was a lot of people were holding on to the anger. I was trying to remove it in the mass healing session, and some of you were holding on. So anyway, I've done what I could, but some of it needs to come from you, because you need we need to understand that, suppose for example, suppose there's another person here, and let's say I'm trying to pull out something from that person. So I'd appreciate if you open your eyes. Suppose I'm trying to pull out something from that person's, let's say from that person's hand, and they're holding on to it, right? So suppose someone's trying to take, so suppose I'm holding this object in my hand, and you're trying to pull it out of my hands, and I just won't let go. Then what's going to happen? No matter how much effort I put in, if you put in more effort into holding it, it's not going to get released. Okay, so next time when we meditate, let's do it with that awareness that we want to let go of the anger. Okay, now one more thing I would like to do today is, for those of us who have done pranic healing, this is only for those who have done pranic healing, I would like you to scan your aura before you started the session today. Then I would like you to scan your aura after the meditation. So what is the result on your aura as a result of the meditation? And then I'd like you to scan what is the result on your aura size after the healing. So because I've been doing group healing, mass healing for everybody, so I want us to be able to differentiate between the effect of the healing and the effect of the meditation. So this is again to help me become humble because I'm sure we'll find that the meditation does more I think that's what we'll find. I don't know that the meditation does more than the healing does, because the reason I'm saying this is because I think it's really important to be really clear about what is coming from the Supreme God. The healing is also coming from the Supreme God, but it is channeled through a healer. So let's just scan our aura. So once again, I'm just repeating the instruction. The instruction is, let's scan our aura before we started the session. Click your hand. And those of you who know how to disintegrate without a salt water bowl, please do that. If you don't remember, don't ask the question here, because we have some people who have not done pranic healing. And let's scan our aura after the meditation. So what is the result of the meditation on my aura? And then scan for what is the result on my aura after the healing. Okay, so that gives you a sense of what the healing does, what the meditation does. This is so that we can be grateful. Okay, so let's just be grateful to the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother. We thank you for your priceless blessings. Thank you for helping us to be instruments of peace, of love, of patience, and tolerance to all those who are around us. We thank you for filling our aura with your divine energy. We thank you for the divine healing that has been channeled to us through our healers on this group. We are grateful to the healing angels. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you. Inhale slowly. Now I'd like you to open your eyes and do one more scan. I want you to scan what is the result of the gratitude on the aura. Okay, so the aura before we started the session, the aura after the meditation, the aura after the healing, and the fourth one is the aura after we are grateful for what we got. So you can share that if you like on the chat group, or if you want, you can gently unmute yourself and also share on the group. This is just so that we can share and we can understand what is the power of gratitude. Okay, or you can just type in the chat box, because I don't know what's the setting that Kunal has done today for the mute unmute. So that's that. So with that, we will so let's just bless our goals. So let's bless our financial goals. Let's bless our health goals. Let's bless our relationship goals. And let's bless our spiritual goals. Okay, so I'm just reading the comments. Okay, the congestion. So what we're looking for basically is what happens to the size of the aura once we meditate, and what happens to the size of the aura, once we are grateful for the techniques, for the technologies that the teacher has shared with us. Okay, so we'll also just massage our face, our scalp, our neck. So, sometimes we just forget how important it is to actually love ourselves. So sometimes, I just kind of give myself a hug. It's like someone's getting angry with me, or I'm getting angry with someone, then I'm just be like, it's okay, Sheetal, it's okay. Okay, so you can also do that with yourself. Sometimes we expect other people to take care of our anger, to love us. It's okay. That expectation is fine, but love yourself also. Okay.